Sir, welcome to Delhi Nalanda Dialogue 2026.
Thank
First
you.
of all, I wanted to ask, कैसा रहा experience?
Oh, it was fascinating मेरे लिए because मैं कभी इस तरह के फेस्टिवल में गया नहीं हूँ.
Okay.
तो मेरे लिए ये डेब्यू था.
It
Thanks
was
to
your first experience?
Oh yes,
Literature festival.
absolutely. So it was thanks to Ganga and his wife that they invited me over. It was a different experience because it's a mixture of different flavors, if I may say so. There is content, there is enthusiasm, there is very strong literary overtone to what we want and how we do it, and then brilliant speakers and themes. So for me, it was a learning curve as to how you take forward a rich legacy through different themes, visionaries, etc. And it is a big push up as far as building brand Nalanda is concerned across the country.
Yes.
Not just limiting it to Nalanda and Bihar,
Yes.
but let Delhi know that there is something called as a Nalanda dialogue.
Yes.
Very apt to call it New Delhi Nalanda dialogue.
New Delhi Nalanda. What's your take on language? Like, how do you see language? How it is important for us to, connecting people with knowing each other. How it plays an important role in our lives.
Look, your lifeline of existence is based on language.
Bilkul.
And what is important is not just the understanding of language, because there's a lot of sensitivity involved, because you should understand what does the language want to portray and convey. How do you communicate? That's very critical, most important.
Yes.
Every language in this country has a very rich legacy, whether it's across the country, different regions. But then every language has a style and format which each one of us should be able to appreciate, understand, and absorb.
Yes.
That's very, very critical. And language should be seen as a medium to connect people together.
Yes.
Language should not be seen as a barrier between two sets of people, between stakeholders.
Yes.
So, the Nalanda festival, for example, broke the barrier of language, of getting people together to talk about the diversity and the richness as far as language is concerned across the country.
Since we're talking about themes, we are on like governance and culture. आपको क्या लगता है कि और different themes क्या हो सकते हैं नालंदा लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल को लेकर, और क्या चीजें हैं जो हमें और आगे लाने की जरूरत है नालंदा लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल के?
नहीं, नालंदा जो थीम्स इन्होंने देखे, एक फेस्टिवल के आर्किटेक्चर में to complete it is a very challenging and difficult task. So let's be very clear on that. But because this is on an upward scale, and Nalanda festival or Lit Fest or dialogue is not something that is going to come back, stay back. It has to move forward.
Yes.
So what are the topics? How do you entice the youth? Talking about the Gen Z Connect.
Yes.
Talking about the festival being a catalyst for change through ideas and themes that are important for people.
Yes.
Right? For example, technology.
Yes.
Talking about the aspirations of the youth of this country.
Yes.
Talking about women.
Yes.
Women,
Definitely.
they constitute the not just the workforce. They are the Rock of Gibraltar as far as our movement forward is concerned.
Yes.
So that is very, very critical.
How this literature festival is going to, influence our younger generation, we can call them Gen Zs. कैसे करने वाला है?
नहीं, वो इसलिए करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि देखिए एक क्यूरियोसिटी होती है. अब जैसे दिल्ली नालंदा डायलॉग हुआ, तो कोई भी यहाँ पर बहुत सारे यंग लोग आए हुए हैं. अब उनको तो एक इच्छा होगी जानने की ये क्या है भाई, क्या डायलॉग है. तो जब तक हम जुड़ेंगे नहीं इसमें, जैसे एक नदी चलती है तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरीज आती है साथ में, तो जब तक वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी आके जुड़ेगी नहीं नदी में, उसको क्या मालूम कि नदी कहाँ जा रही है.
बिल्कुल.
तो आई वुड से कि द यंग जनरेशन, द जेन जी और उस तरह के लोग, एवरीवन शुड be involved in this,
connect with this,
so that you take it to a different level altogether.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So insightful. Thank you.